What's up, guys? Easton Holder here with another Raised Outdoors review, and one of the products we're talking about today is a lithium rechargeable battery by Reveal. It's obviously available on the shop raisedoutdoors.com at $49.99, so it's a little bit cheaper than the previous solar panel that we talked about. The specific reasons for using this one is if you have a Reveal camera in the SK version, you are required to use this or the solar panel, but it does not have any of the AA battery adaptability there. So you have to use this. It actually looks just like a package, like the battery pack that slides into your camera, and it's rechargeable. One thing that I will tell you or suggest to you is if you're going to get one, you probably should get 2 or 3 depending on how many cameras you have. That way you can have one charging at home. When you go out and check your camera, then you can go just replace the batteries just like you do with a regular AA battery. It's just a little more convenient than having to carry 8 to 12 different batteries and having to throw them away, buy more, whatever else you have to do with it. It also fits their X Pro, their XB, and their SK, obviously, like I just said. So it's a great option if you're willing to buy a couple of them. I wouldn't suggest just getting one. I mean, because if you have one, then you're probably gonna have to go check your battery, and or check your camera. If it's dead, you got to come home and charge it again. So for this one, it's a great unit. I would just suggest getting multiple ones so that you can just take that to the field, replace it, and come back. So again, it's $49.99 on the shop raisedoutdoors.com website. It's a great tool here to use instead of you having to use your AA batteries and replace them all the time. So if that's something you guys are interested in, go check it out.